Are crude oil futures likely to slow down or continue to soar? What company is juggling 3 projects in Canada? And which company from Norway is working in the Gulf of Mexico? And whose company is seeing multiple pay zones? Stay tuned for all this and more when we come back. Hello and welcome back to EnergyScout News and Information, your source for the energy industry. I'm your host, Reb Byers. Today's segment will focus on drilling within the energy industry. And breaking news, crude and petroleum products futures had settled at fresh record highs on Tuesday. Now this is spurred by expectations of further gains in market realignment, suggesting entrenched higher long-term prices. The light sweet crude oil for June delivery expired at the settlement after a gain of $2.02 a barrel, or 1.6%, to a record settlement of $129.07, after currently setting their high record of $129.60 a barrel. The market finds itself on unusual footing, but for how long is unclear. So the real question is, what do you think? So when you get a break from that multi-million-dollar platform you're working on, email us your thoughts. In other news, Questerre Energy Corporation announced that Talisman Energy Canada has elected to drill the remaining 3 option wells under its farm-in agreement with Questerre and its minority partner in the St. Lawrence Lowlands, Quebec. The 3 wells will complete the work program, allowing Talisman to earn about a 75% interest in the original 719,000-acre farm-out block. Questerre also retains about a 4% gross overriding royalty on production from Talisman. Now let's see what else is happening in the energy industry. Norway Seadrill is celebrating. Why, you ask? Because the company will bring its first drilling rig to the Gulf of Mexico. Now, this is one of new breed of ultra-deepwater floating rigs that is in high demand as crude prices touch new peaks. The arrival of the rig is called the West Sirius, like the satellite radio service, not Sirius like Walter Cronkite. You see, recently deepwater discoveries in the Gulf continue to attract global interest, and Seadrill's rapid evolution from inexperienced upstart to serious player in the offshore drilling industry will bring new prospects to the table. Gulf Sands Petroleum has discovered natural gas in multiple pay zones in the EI-57 number 16 well. This is located in the Eugene Island Protraction area. It's located within the Gulf of Mexico. The well was drilled by the Hercules 150 jackup to a total measured depth of 12,542 feet. The Gulf Sands preliminary analysis of the well logs indicates a total net pay of approximately 95 feet for multiple pay zones. The hydrocarbons encountered are natural gas with associated condensate. Production casing has been set, and the well is being prepared for its tie-ins to the EI-57 offshore platform. Now it's down to business, but first it's time for this week's rig counts. The world rig count is down 250 rigs to 4,367 rigs. Now that is quite a significant drop from the last month alone. The United States rig count is down only 1 rig to 2,033 rigs. In oil and gas, crude oil is up $1.45 to $134.79, and where it will stop, nobody knows, so if you do, give us a call. Natural gas is down 2 cents to $11.62, but it's still trying to crawl up to that $12 mark. So let's take a short pause and regroup after we take a look at our people on the move. In strange news today, what do you get when a country promotes a cartoon character to a Ministry of Tourism? No, the answer is not insanity, so just take a look.
Japan. Hello, Kitty. Hello. In a ceremony held this week by the Japanese Transportation Minister, cartoon character Hello Kitty was officially deemed Japan's tourism minister to China and Hong Kong. The minister said he was happy to appoint his granddaughter's favorite cartoon character to the post. Previously unaware cartoon characters fair game, previously unaware that the cartoon characters were fair game in the ambassadorial nomination process.
I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, this is just in. After hearing the news, President Bush has nominated Foghorn Leghorn to Canada in a cartoon ministry retaliation. But on a lighter note, Scrappy Doo is running for the 2012 election. And that's it for today's Energy Headlines. Be sure to check out our website daily for up-to-date rig counts and company information. And remember, if you have any news in your neck of the woods, be sure to contact us at EnergyScout.com. Don't forget to stay tuned with us tomorrow. We will take a look at well servicing within the energy industry. For Energy Scout news and information, I'm your host, Reb Byers.
Can you see it? It's here, 175 miles off the coast of Louisiana. It's your commute, your flight to Phoenix, your way of life. Here, more than 28,000 feet below the surface, in a place experts thought impossible to reach, setting half a dozen world records for technological innovation without a single safety or environmental incident. Every day the world demands more energy, and every day it gets harder to find. So every day we push technology. We seek alternatives. But we also attempt the extraordinary to power the world right now. This is the power of human energy.